Всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today we're going to be making chocolate macarons stuffed with orange ganache. It's so good, guys. If you're a fan of chocolate and orange, these are perfect for you. They taste just like mini chocolate orange sort of candies. Very crunchy meringue, very soft and gooey middle. I absolutely love these and I hope you try them as well. Now let's get started. To make your ganache, add dark chocolate into a bowl along with butter and some heavy or double cream. And we're going to place this in a microwave until it's completely melted. Make sure you cook this in 30-second bursts so you don't burn your chocolate. Then you want to mix everything together with your whisk until the chocolate starts to come together and look just like this. Then you want to add your squeezed orange juice and then orange zest and mix everything quite gently until the mixture is incorporated. Once you have a nice chocolate mixture just like this, it's done. Place a cling film on top of your bowl and this will go into the fridge until it's completely set, which can take 6 to 8 hours. Once your chocolate ganache has been done, you want to see that it's nice and set, and at this stage you want to just take a spoon and place your mixture into a piping bag with no nozzle. Once your mixture is done, you want to set this aside. In a food processor, add your icing sugar with almond powder and cocoa powder and blitz everything until it's nice and smooth. You can also do this at home with a sieve. Just make sure you do it 2 times or 3 times to sieve it through. Then we're still gonna sieve this mixture, so in a bowl add your mixture and sieve it through using a spoon or just shake it off from your sieve. It is essential to do this so we don't have any large lumps in our macarons. Then the mixture is looking nice and well. We're gonna set this aside. In a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk an egg white and mix everything together until it becomes nice and foamy. You then want to add a little bit of sugar at a time while whisking, and your mixture should be nice and white and pale and like meringue sort of type. So keep whisking until you have nice stiff peaks. So add your meringue 1 tablespoon at a time into your dry mixture, and you just want to go around and mix everything together until everything is incorporated. This process takes some time and you do want to be patient and quite gentle while mixing everything together. So just keep going around, mixing it all until you start to see that the mixture becomes more chocolatey and more like a paste. Once you have finished, you're looking for a final sort of clue which will give you an indication the macarons are ready, that they kind of fall off your spatula and fall and sort of go around your bowl. So that's the time when it's done. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on a picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Place your mixture into a piping bag and seal it from all the sides and make sure you use a round piping tip. You then want to go around your parchment paper and a baking dish and put little blobs around. Shake it up, place it on the counter and hit it a few times from both sides and leave it to completely set for about half an hour up to an hour until the macarons form a nice skin on top. So when you touch it, you should have no fingerprints of the chocolate left. We're going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And once they're done, they're gonna look so beautiful and lovely, just like this. You can place them together into 2 shelves so you can find similar sized. Now you want to pipe your chocolate orange ganache on top of your macaron shells, and all you want to do is just press and pull, and you have a nice little blob there. And then with your second half of your macaron shell, you just want to gently press on that, and then you will get a nice chocolate macaron just like this. So it's very easy to assemble them once you've matched the macaron cookies and you've piped your ganache inside. Feel free to decorate them in any way that you like. I've decided to add just some fresh flowers, some chocolate, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe and comment.